Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the monster keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, baby truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby, what rotten luck.
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me, Sly. You'll only miss. Oh, no! That was your fault, Sly.
Oh, dear. You two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two. We have to win, whatever it takes.
Team Gecko on the attack, repaired and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Ow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never.
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! Gecko's garage!
No! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play, won today. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Kat has challenged us to a game of American football. So today, we're the Gecko's Garage Go-Getters.
Prepare to face Catalina Felina el Fuego.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's try our best. But most of all, have fun.
Let's play. Vamos, quarterback Eric. Use your super strong piston arm.
We need to stop that ball!
Oh. Touchdown! 6 points.
Don't worry. Now it's our turn to try and score a touchdown. 10, 6, 12. Hat! Ha! Throw it as hard as you can, Yellow! Oh.
Interception! I'll take that. Touchdown! Another 6 points.
Ooh, nearly. Okay, Mechanicals, we can score a touchdown. I know it. We just need to find a way to throw the ball past the other team. But how? Aha! The pistons in Eric's arm help him throw really far. Now I know how we can get a touchdown. What tool do I need? Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. We'll bolt in this hydraulic piston like the one on Eric's arm. Now Yellow has the power to throw really far. Ready, Mix? Time for a touchdown! Blue! I'll catch you! Blue, you did it! We scored a touchdown! And what a pass, Yellow!
And you saved Blue, Gecko. That was the best catch I've ever seen.
Thanks, Cat. No matter if we lost or won, what matters is we all had fun. Goodbye, everyone. Blue, go long!
Oh, hello everyone! Today, Cat and I are competing in a triathlon challenge. It's a race over land, sea and sky.
Good luck, Gecko. You'll need it.
I want a good, clean race. For your first leg, you'll have to go around my hot air balloon up here in the sky. Ready, set, go!
Not to worry, Green.
Ándale, Helena. Ay, pues, I hate getting wet, but luckily Helena knows how to swim.
And Cat keeps the lead. And a girl! Hurry now, Gecky. Tilly needs to be in the water fast.
Soggy screwdrivers, here we go!
Helena has new wheels.
Phew! Back on dry land where we belong. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! Oh, bad time for a blowout, eh, Tilly? But it won't take long to change a tyre. The tool we need is... a drill wrench!
Gecko's garage, time to...
What? The battery's gone flat.
Mira, Red, we're still in the race.
Oh, what drama! Who will be victorious?
We'll just have to change this tyre the old-fashioned way. Out with the old...
See you at the finish line, Gecko.
and in with the new... Done! Let's finish this race!
Vámonos, 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 vámonos.
Gecko's hot on Cat's tail. It's so tense. Oh, I'm exhausted just watching it. Oh.
We did it!
We won. See, Grandma?
Where am I? Who won the race?
Oh,
Grandma.
Never mind, eh?
You'll just have to do it all again.
goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. We're playing baseball. Dandy's team are batting and we're fielding. I'm up to pitch.
Come on, throw it!
Sorry, Dandy. Here it comes.
Ball! I'll get it!
Don't chase the ball yet, Dandy. You have to run round the bases.
Oh, yeah!
Home run! Great shot, Dandy. Your team made a big score. Now it's our turn to bat and your turn to field.
I'm a better fielder than a pitcher anyways.
Great shot, Blue! Yellow, batter up!
I got it! Here I come!
Quick, Blue! Get to third base before Dandy or you're toast! Well done, Blue! But be careful, OK? My turn to step up to the plate.
Dandy dive!
Phew, that was close. Run, Max! Nuts and bolts! Blue's wheel has come loose, so he can't run to home base. Oh, no, I can't run to Blue or I'll run Yellow out. We need to help Blue while Dandy's team are busy. Get ready to take a catch, Yellow, because you are going to fix Blue's wheel. The tool you need is a screwdriver.
Gecko's garage, time to fix!
Yes, Yellow. Now put the screw back in and use the screwdriver to tighten it. Righty-tighty, remember? Well done, Max. No time to celebrate. You have to make it home before Dandy gets me out. Run!
Dandy dive!
Made it. Well done, everyone. Great game. Who fancies a rematch? But we may have to get our ball back first. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Vehicle Olympics! There are so many exciting events, like long jump, go Tilly! And gymnastics! And now the 100-meter race is about to begin!
With this new turbo booster, we can't lose, Sly. That gold medal is as good as mine. I mean ours.
On your marks, set,
Wobbling whiskers, come back, Sly! You're going the wrong way! Uh-oh.
well, Mr. Weasel, you won!
And you don't even have any wheels.
Sly's out of control, Gecko, I need help!
Pardon?
I cheated, Gecko. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to win a medal, so I attached a turbo booster to Sly, but now he's out of control. Please.
I need to get close to Sly to turn off that booster. But how?
Aha! We'll save Sly with help from Eric, the discus throwing digger! Make me fly to Sly, please, Eric!
Oh, careful, Gecko. Bullseye, Gecko!
I've got to remove this booster! The tool I need is a screwdriver! Gecko's garage, time to fix! Left for looser, and no more booster!
Oh, Sly, you're okay. Thank you, Gecko.
I hope this has been a lesson for you, Mr. Weasel.
I promise I'll never cheat again. Probably.
And a gold medal to Eric for the longest throw!
They're so shiny.
I would like to present a gold medal to Gecko for saving Sly.
That must have hurt.
Can you save me, please, Gecko?
Ah, sure, Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone.